This sloping desk with Japanese-style flap is signed by Gabriel Viardot and dated 1886. A talented woodcarver, Gabriel Viardot opened a furniture factory and shop in Paris in 1853. In the 1870s, he decided to devote himself to Chinese-Japanese-style furniture. He won a silver medal at the Paris Universal Exhibition in 1878, then a gold medal at the Antwerp International Exhibition in 1884, and at the Paris Universal Exhibitions of 1889 and 1900. This stained sycamore desk, although suitable for European use, is part of Viardot's Sino-Japanese production. In the lower part, the high legs of the piece, in the shape of stylized lion paws, are topped with oriental geometric motifs. The asymmetrical distribution of shelves in the upper part of the desk is inspired by Japanese chadentsu, or tea cabinets. Its crown is inspired by Japanese temple architecture. The inlays of Tonkin mother-of-pearl forming Far Eastern motifs and delicate flowers or iridescent butterflies are probably a replacement from an Indo-Chinese piece of furniture. It is also adorned with a lacquer panel depicting a Buddhist monk seated in a meditative posture and accompanied by a butterfly, an oriental motif symbolizing eternity, perhaps the object of his meditation. The decoration is enhanced by gilded bronze elements. The Musée d'Orsay has a tea table by Gabriel Viardot, also with mother-of-pearl inlay, the lower part of which is very similar to this desk.